Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Welcome to another episode of the Daily Try-Ons. My name is Nichole. I have tons of great pieces to show you today. I'm going to show you 5 outfits that I would take with me if I was traveling somewhere spectacular. So this first outfit is my travel outfit. I feel bad and bougie. Okay, let's break the outfit down because there's a lot. So this is a great tote bag from Pixie Mood, great for a carry-on bag. This is a fantastic piece from Dex. This is their trench coat, but it is a knit material. This is the 1X. It is very spacious. Looks great tied up. And then, let's get this off. And then I have the Banu jogger in this really great dusty green. We've had this in for the last couple of months in different colors. So this is their spring collection. And then this great Banu sweater. It's just like little cropped, like 3/4 length sleeve. This outfit is super comfortable and is definitely going to be perfect for those long flights. Pop my jacket back on, my sunnies, and I'm good to go. Okay, I am back in outfit number 2. So I don't know where my plane landed, but I have packed this dress in my bag in case there are warm, sunny skies. I cannot recall the name of this dress, but it is a new brand that we just brought in. It is 100% rayon with pockets. The bodice is completely smocked, which I know can sometimes be an issue for some of the ladies with a larger bust, but it has this great little sort of, I want to say it's like a sweetheart neck. It's just sort of like cinched in a little bit just to sort of change the neckline up a little bit with adjustable straps. I love the flow of this material and just completed the outfit with a fun little red fringe earring to match the little red flowers in the print. I'll be back with outfit number 3. Okay, so back in outfit number 3. So on my lovely trip, I have decided that I am going to go to a fancy restaurant. So I have packed this fantastic Dex jumpsuit. I don't know the name of this jumpsuit, but we will link it. It has a nice wide trouser leg all the way down with pockets. I've tied at the waist. I have pulled it up a little bit just where I am shorter. I do have a shorter waist, so it's sort of bloused out a little bit. It will fit differently depending on your body shape. Paired it with this great little bag from Pixie Mood, and again a fun little pop of color earring, and I am ready to go have drinks. All right, I'm back in outfit number 4. So I have put on this fantastic piece from Soya Concept. This is the Marcia dress. The material is buttery soft. It's lightweight, easy to pack in your suitcase for those of you who are traveling. If not, just a really great everyday dress. Dress it up, dress it down. I've just paired it with my favorite sandals, and I'm ready to go for the day. On to outfit number 5. All right, so back with outfit number 5. So this is my outfit to explore the beach or the boardwalk if I have traveled somewhere sunny. This is the Maui skirt from Charlie B. Super comfortable, very stretchy. And then this is the Halsey little like crocheted top. It's got this cute little tassel at the hem. This comes in this beautiful cream color as well as a dusty green. Both colors are beautiful, and then I've just paired with a fun little pair of wooden earrings. I hope you enjoyed the daily try-ons. I am off to do some fantastic things, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.